Ernest Rutherford was born on August 30th, 1871 in New Zealand. Similarly to Thomson, his family had financial difficulties and struggled to raise their family of 11 children. However, at a young age, Rutherford began experimenting and sought after academics. He landed his first scholarship to Nelson Collegiate School, a private secondary school, and later another scholarship to Canterbury College. Later, he was invited by J.J. Thomson to work together on the study of X-rays, which was found months before Rutherford's arrival at the Cavendish laboratory. The two scientists studied the effects of X-rays on the conductivity of gases, which resulted in a paper about dividing atoms and molecules into ions. While J.J. Thomson went on to find electrons, Rutherford continued his study of ion-producing radiation. In an experiment, Rutherford found that when he placed a uranium block next to a thin foil, one type of radiation was blocked, but the other type was able to pass through the foil. He named these two types of radiation alpha and beta. The alpha particles were found to be the same as the nucleus of a helium atom, whereas the beta particles were found to be the electrons. Following these discoveries, in 1907, Rutherford conducted his famous gold foil experiment along with his assistants Geiger and Marsden. In this experiment, a thin beam of alpha particles was fired at a thin sheet of gold. This sheet of gold was surrounded by detector screens that would flash when hit with an alpha particle. And even though most of the alpha particles passed through the gold foil, about 1 in 20,000 particles were deflected more than 90 degrees from the path. This proved to Rutherford that the positively charged nucleus occupied a tiny volume of the atom, and nearly the total mass of the atom was concentrated in the nucleus. Also, this showed that most of the atom is made out of empty space. With this discovery, it paved the way for the nuclear model, and won him the 1908 Nobel Prize for Chemistry. Rutherford died on October 19, 1937, leaving a legacy that will lead to the discovery of nuclear fission.